And ladies, I don't know why you think girls know they keep your time. This Nigeria is hard. I tell you, if your girlfriend tell you, honey, take me out, it's not necessary you take them to expensive place and waste money. My brother, take them out. Take them outside. Take them to the bush. Let breeze blow them. Out is out. One of my babes don't tell me, "Laptop, to come and take me out." I can't ask her, "Where do you want me to take you to?" She said, "Take me to a cool place." I can't go much on it. He said, "Oh my gosh, you are so heartless. Is this where you brought me? Take me to a quiet place." Me? I can't go anything. When she tired, I said, "Tell the laptop to take me home." I say, "Now you are talking, let's go home." Everybody does a complaint, Buhari. I tell you, ever since Buhari had a company just been sacking me. One of my friends, the employer at 8 o'clock. They sack at 8:30. He was a banker for 30 minutes. Anything you do in Lagos, ask questions. Or Ghana people, this Lagos now people packaging of keep people for Lagos. Now Lagos, you must say one person get 15 suits, 12 briefcase, 32 ties, no office. People who don't wear suits, they don't get work. And the guy packaging when they like it, why you be saying artists before artists blow? They think say they must draw tattoos. It's not necessary. For Lekki Festival, one of my guys won't draw tattoo. Things cost for Lekki. He won't draw tattoo. When we reach Lekki Festival, so draw mosquito, 60,000. Cockroach, 100,000. Eagle with feather, 1 million. The guy said, "With the feather." They say 500,000 for bed. Bed will not feel like 500,000. The guy goes, "How much is elephant?" They say 5 million. He say, "Is he pregnant?" Things just cost anyhow. The man waits, when the thing not finished, you know wait to. The Uberman asked, "Can I start the trip?" He says, "Start it." They face Kano. Price in the load. Price load. They pass Ibadan Expressways. Price in the load. Before you know, they pass Ore. Price in the road. My brother, again where they link, come enter Kano. Come enter Lokoja. When they pass Lokoja, my brother, price in the load. The thing never load finish. So you know, saying that 30 minutes to enter Kano, then the price not finish. 12.8 million. When the man see the price, he spread for back, he just begin crying. Now you mama call the answer. Guy, you hear about this? He said this year. He called the answer. Person die. If not person die, you go better. Yeah. Do you mama go say, nobody go die for this motor. What he show me, all the things when they give the man comfort, all the AC, when they disturb him. He said, "My brother, why that? Off the AC." And the Uberman on the answer, I go off another thing. He say, "Yes, off the motor." This Lagos, one of your Lagos people. Sorry, they say, "Is this not the talk?" I say, "Yes." They say, "Where are you?" I say, "I'm at home." They say, "Come to the mortuary now." Person when I tell the play before, my daddy like that, see was strong bone. Now we first now say, "Daddy," my father is shut up. I say, "What time is it?" He say, "Now die a day." I say, "For what?" He say, "My son, 5 million. When I hear 5 million, I call and daddy shift for me. When my daddy shift like that, close to my dad and snap and see our assistant pastor for church like that, go. Now that one call they tell me, "G.O. is over there." When I talk, I see our G.O. I say, "G.O. is not for Jesus." As I like that, I look my left, behold, now one big woman people in the front family, Mama, where are you? Or you come to the mortuary now. If you are coming, come with Ebuka. You can't do Chioma. The whole family will die. Ikulawa o. Tabaki Esoya for 2 years now. Wait a minute, easy. Muna clap for this morning. If phase 1, 90,
Google Map reply, thank you, I will take you to Lekki Phase 1. Now the guy moved, as he moved, the guy said, when you get to your right, take left, he take. When you get to the front, take right, he take. When you get to this junction, take left, the taxi man take. As we dey go, now somebody, now the guy want to find you, come call us, say, abeg, I don't change route, I don't change route. Make una meet me for Jebule. Now the guy will come carry, you come tell the guy, I make you change, I make you change. As he just press, dong, 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 he come put am, back am, the route change. The voice of the app just change. Now the guy say, you are welcome. Where wanna they go now? This one wanna don't change this thing now. Now the guy said, the guy put them, they move. The guy say, take left, he take left, they go. Take right, he take right, they go. Small time, we first third man down breathe. Now the voice change. My brother, if now you never tire by now. You never tire by now. When I travel abroad, I cannot pay 1,000. Last week, my friend go marry for Imo State. Just to go north. If
Hey, let's go fight this. One and a half years, so we win. We follow. But they laugh, now what's our problem? Then they shout, Nigeria steal. Israel will lead the steal. 2 minutes. Now they laugh. I believe that by now men don't know say you cannot mess with women. If women mean you, now this is what you was saying. Move from one Balogun to another Balogun. I should say that she get Balogun market for sure. Now they laugh, and very serious issue happen. That's why I always talk say no, this life no balance. This life no balance. That's why Mahida went the street and get more Instagram followers than Mama Josh wey be gospel artist. Even pastors dey follow Mahida. When I not follow Olowo Kokoro channel, they do Instagram live video. They get 14,000 views. Mahida dey do praise and worship same time. Mahida get 142,000 views. Pastors dey Mahida page for night when they pray. I don't know which church. I see one pastor Matthew, the title open it. I said, I'm Bible. This life no balances. That's why a lot of people, when you hear these people say, Papa, you get more Instagram followers than people when they pray for people every Sunday. So on judgment day, God says the followers line up and then they go to this church. You know, some people, some pastors, they don't like to flavor on the Kolobo. Judgment day go too sweet now. I see you. I don't know if I want to buy my stuff like that to get the show.
Good evening. How na dey now? Hello. How na dey now? Abeg una respond o. The same hardship one they go through and they go through am. The same bad road one they drive, now they drive. The same Buhari where they lead on now my president. So all of us they go through the same problem. Amen. I like this country. Last month, I don't want to clap for Bobby. I want to clap for Bobby. You get why? What that means for this hard economy. And I cry. The tears not they pass here. It is stuck from here. You know they come down. They don't want to spoil the makeup. One person they always hold handkerchief to clean here. She can't they cry. I can't they shock. What they smile? I say if I buy a car of 25 million, wait, I they talk rubbish. If I buy a car of 2 million, give woman. Now me will control your emotion. When they behave like Nigerian politicians, now only what in favor on how they do. All those ouch, ill, door, now when they copy. The important that one, when I know they copy. For a place like London, if you invite a babe on a date, she go pay her transport, come. Anything wanna chop, wanna go split bill. For Nigeria, if you invite a babe on a date, you go pay their transport because she not go come alone. When I know they copy important thing. For Mexico, women want protest oppression of women in Mexico. How they do the protest? All of them come street. naked themselves, stark naked, they protest. Nigerian girls, if una copy something like that, Nigeria will crash. Una know they copy important thing. Cristiano Ronaldo girlfriend, a day after they play the Champions League winning bonus, his girlfriend break up with her that night. I got the shock. No Nigerian girl will break up with her boyfriend the day after he collects salary. They go tell me, James, I would have broken up with you, but I'm going to wait till on the 15th. Because they don't say every salary and they broke on 15th. 16th, she don't run. She bad. One girl from Philippines, a Filipino girl, 19 years old, she sold her virginity to a Hong Kong businessman for 3.2 million pounds. Virginity. I can't think all those Lagos girls when they give her their virginity to Blackberry Conform. How they will feel? But guess why they shock for the Unilag girls? Unilag girls, they give her their virginity to the holder of the highest shawarma. Where's the color? I don't mention Russia, mention another one. Ethiopia, Africa. Imagine Maïda and a president. No Boko Haram go throw bomb. Nobody go break pipeline. As soon as I start, we're going to throw bomb. We're going to president will just call you. Come to the presidential villa. You just say, you want to die? Do you want to die? You go say, yes, we'll die. Touch Bobby. As you touch, you go back and ask him, do you still want to die? No, I'm not dying again. All this way, Nigeria no dey do it for World Cup. Maïda and the president, maybe when they play match, we don't dey first half, Argentina they beat us 4-0. President will just enter dressing room. Miguel, what are you doing? Why are you people playing like this? Argentina is beating you 4-0. Are they more than you? Miguel, you need motivation. Bring your head. Now other players want the envy. You go tell them, don't worry. If you can win this match, you will come to the presidential villa. All of you will suck Bobby. Eh? Miguel was scored 19 goals. That time when Moses is fan and Miguel was the one. Moses now follow. Not spoil my chances of sucking presidential Bobby. It goes sweet. And when they copy better things for abroad, I like abroad. They have a law where if you say they have freedom of speech, but you don't fit talk anyhow. Nigeria, we don't get freedom of speech, but you can talk anyhow. In places like America, if you tell somebody you are mad, the person if you carry you go court, you go check your mental state. Nigeria, now we dey remind people, but look me at the man. I don't call this before. True story. One guy from America, billionaire, Donald Trump, the current president. One guy called him millionaire instead of billionaire. He sued them for $14 million and he won. I can't think if we sue people for Nigeria. First people went for sue in Babas. Yes. Now only this country, you enter Baba shop, everywhere go fine. You go see mirror, you go see fine painting, you go see posters like 10 we contain over 200 beautiful hairstyles. The Baba must have done anyone. It is five people here. I for sure they have 10 million naira. They ask people when I for sure. Now makeup artists. Makeup artists, before they say beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. Now beauty lies in the hands of the makeup artist. Now this Lagos, you go club, carry gear because of makeup. You reach out in the morning, you can't discover saying that Bobrisky you carry. Eh? I pursue them for 20 million naira. The next people when I pursue, now my great grandparents during slave trade era. Why they wrong? Therefore, just wait, make slave traders catch them, beat them small, put them inside boat, go America. By now, and for the black American comedian when they become this show. Good night, guys.
Wait. I will call DJ. Because when they call me, I don't hear one clap. One. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let them know Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. You know there is to do show for a poor hotel. I beg, if you love a cappella, put your hands together for him. Alright, the country don't read. I don't need to talk and I know. The way where this country is now, only God, me and you need. Buhari or Atiku. Because before change come, I kill myself. Now I don't regret. It go shock you. Buhari people for Atiku. Don't kill yourself. This Nigeria why they nothing they surprise me again. Nothing. What it shocked me. Now when I hear say Lai Mohammed, I be a guy before, but that's the way you talk. Say Nigeria will attack Israel. Personally, I have Nigerians, all of you now. I send message give Israel on behalf of Nigerians. Say that's the way Lai Mohammed talk. You know that address the real Israel. Now this Israel when they stay for my compound. From the answer. We. What do you want to fight Israel? Israel will get spiritual backup. No people want to fight them. So I don't tell them they live there. They live like Mohammed. You know say get high your enter club. Come back, come out the next day, stop anything. So like Mohammed just go one club, flex finish, come dancing. You know me now, he's a comedian. So if you do stay like here, shall you hear me now? Ladies and gentlemen, the way our country is going, so many things now they happen. Now everybody they go out, Yoruba, Hausa, Calabar. We not send our only malas. They say Suya. Now Yoruba boys don't join them. Because not today, okay. Ladies and gentlemen, my father is a man that is very proud. That was when he had money, not be now. The man don't know yet. My father will come back from work. You will just see everybody running around. Baby, where is your mother? Where is my food? All of us they run around. Yes, because he spent money. But now when the man know the people come out money, if you just come only and they walk straight to dining. Because once he shout, my mama they shout, give her. Hey! You bring money. I will go chop your food. Last time when you come back, you go drink. You don't forget say, you no drop money. Money when drop no reach anything. It is now before. As you just come back, hey, Mama Benji, where is my food? You never even shout, Mama say, what is wrong with you? Come on, go to the dining and eat your food. As the man enter dining, open plate, the soup they black, only herself. Mama baby, which kind of soup is this? Mama say no shout, how much you drop? 700 naira. I buy everything for market. Money no reach buy the oil. Now you taking oil computer. Ladies and gentlemen, for those of you who know the enter boss. Now, no one understand what I want to do. How is I don't get motor? I say I just enter bus, don't think. I never say I smoke no day. Boys when they thief phone, they don't get different ways to the thief phone. Before you get inside motor, you did like this. They want to keep your phone. If your phone there front pocket, the guy will want to go straight hand to the window. Like say one open the window, you go use the other hand, remove your phone. So many people don't learn and know they work again. The new style, me went inside Sochi, iPhone 6, where they use manage. The guy will want to keep my phone, I sit down here, me I get here. As close to the road, wait here like. As the guy show off more. I don't know. Me when I want to be phone, I dey tell the guy, bless you, bless you. Bless you, bless you. People can't join me. Bless you, bless you, bless you. Small time. If you ever do the same thing, me I judge again. The guy, shoot, the phone when they reach up, I don't know. The third time, as the guy sleep, I see person come up for front. Now say, God, I beg, wait, let her go front. The guy tell me, say, no, why you go down in the next one? The guy tell me the next one, I don't know what he mean. I said, what you say next me, they say, you don't reach. Now, first, keep balance. The guy come again. I said, do the top one. Now, quick, stand up. As I dey stand up, my phone don't go. As my phone go, you know when you lose your phone, you don't go low. Motor don't move. Now I realize, say, my pocket no tight like before. No limit. God, I beg, make you not make your thing. I just buy this phone. Hey, my phone almost. As I drink, I cry. My phone. One guy just told me, young man, are you a new person in Nigeria? In Lagos. Don't you know if you enter bus, you buy jacket, pin your phone. See my own. As the guy open his phone, they don't give up. I two of us got a place. Now, finally, before I go, I always do this joke. My joke. You know, so many comedians say, they can't talk, you don't know who get joke. All the jokes I talk on my own, who not clap on my own. They grab this one now, they don't pick up. The day wake up to pony down, no go there. Now, one of my guy, big boy, I give my chairman. The guy they got red paper spot, today old. Yes, dear robber. The guy they go in Kenya for Tomeland Bridge, big boy. Come jam one guy when they drive Passat, 1964 model. As he hit the guy, the rich guy come down. Say, young man, please, I'm sorry. I will fix it for you, okay? The guy they don't get waiting. We never get money, see road. We never get alone, see road. See my car, you don't want the number. The guy they carry for motor, we don't know the difference between Range Rover Sport and Passat 1964 model. Say, why you starting with that man? Why not take this man and break his side mirror? And the guy get baby, now he carry this man now. Break the guy's side mirror. The thief break the guy, now he have for pocket. Quick! Call Ladipo. Hello, is that Ladipo? He say, yes. Please, how much is Bumper of Passat 1964 model? They say, okay, original is 1,000. China is 800. The man said, okay, supply me 15. They supply 15. If this one, then the guy is 14. Now the guy is like, you only know Ladipo. See you. Now he's there, come out for pocket. Hello? Now, please, how much is a side mirror of Range Rover Sport? New one. Should I network, baby? You know the guy where they come? Hello? I said Range Rover Sport. Side mirror. I said side mirror, not be the full car. What is the top? Side mirror. Is that much? Wait, original is how much? Which country is this now? Original 8.5. How much is China? 5.2. Ladies and gentlemen, that's my class. God bless you.
Money come round, round.
Good evening, Lagos. Lagos people, I know they answer greeting for here. You know, say now only for Yoruba land you go come. Start before elders, if you don't greet, no problem. Now why they greet you now before and I say this boy don't get pride. Good evening, Lagos. I've been for no people there for here. Now only Yoruba people you go stand for their front. Yoruba people they greet for everything. In the morning you go hear Akaro. In the afternoon Akaso. In the evening Akulare. In the evening, in the night Akale. You dey stand Akudro. You sit down Akujogo. You mess Akuso. Amram has visited my house. They made the one with my laptop and my phone. The next morning, my mother was saying, I'm working in the next house. I said, yes, I'm going to even this next family, the way they don't do so. I said, the aspirant, ABC aspirant, go to come, tell the sitting governor, after the primary, he said, I'm losing you. Lagos people wanna do their pocket. I came for tablet. They bring my thing, I got my friends, they tell me I want to come Lagos, now for Lagos it happen. Come Lagos, now for Lagos it happen. My people, I don't come Lagos almost 6 months, nothing don't happen back. One night before now, I used to think that I have arrived. I thought I have made it. Until this present regime, when dollar price rise, now they are not say I never make anything. Lagos girls, I tell God beguna. No be all of una go marry rich man. Everybody was praying for his heart desire. I see my sister open her mouth when she brought out something on my picture of her. She lifted my picture, was praying seriously. I'll prove it to you. When I was born, now you are the head of the home. But my brother, when you were the head of the home.
Thank you. Thank you.
All right, thank you very much. That was my time.
Come back yesterday and he bought bread. And they laugh. My uncle buy bread, come in house. You know, say, get away your house to dark, but you still know your way around. My uncle just enter kitchen, open fridge, carry something, they run for bread. You know, say that Nivea cream. My uncle chop bread with Nivea cream. He tongue on the bleach. I beg. You see this way they tell you, say, they go to warn you, say, Emeka, show us the girl and go to sleep. That word na scam. If you never ready to marry, no answer them all. Show us the girl and go to sleep. When you ready, and those your friends will first you sleep. No go rush. Girls will tell you, say, you know I'm from Enugu, our price is 1,500. Nah, scam. If you go to the village, the full marriage list, 1 million never sort about. When I escort one guy, go marry somewhere for Enugu. The guy go to print the marriage list. He come back, say the thing was too bulky. They don't fit even step plan. They can't give us the marriage list for flash drive. Till now, I go back. Speak at the work. But that will not pay me. You don't spread. They disturb everybody. Now you won't make announcements. Comedian won't make announcements for the show. The mic will the echo. And you go, it sound like say you be ghost. I'm surprised that no one and they announce make women don't carry their food. But you know they have on the microphone. People, off. Jabba, women, association. Come on, carry your rice. I can't they wonder, they say I don't turn ghosts.
Guys hang out by themselves, then they enjoy themselves, enjoy their money. But once you see guys come with girls, And the boys they spend, and the girls they enjoy. Just imagine 2 guys walk out with 2 girls, then enter bar. Then bring money for them. Everybody don't order, then they drink, they chop, enjoy. Now they don't chop finish, they won't go out. It can't be say the door of the bar, they record customer sales, so that they go know who they will appreciate at the end of the day. Now the 2 girls, now they don't dey front. You know say when girls don't chop your money, then they walk out fast to go out. The 2 girls now they dey front, and then they approach the door. The door will come, they record these 2 girls. You come here, thinking, shawarma, 3,008. Thinking, suya, 2004. Smell of ice, half crates. Then this last one, I don't know how girls get like this thing. I don't know which one I won't bought for us. You come here, shisha, 6,200. You come total, 31,500. Just 2 girls. Now the 2 idiot boys will pay the money. They don't pay near the door. And they approach the door the first side. Just 2 sticks of Benson. And 1 bottle of Fabulous water. Ladies and gentlemen, that's what I got to say.
Be like 10 or 12 hours, give quick notice. Only 6 months, you get. And you know, say if they give quick notice, now the agent is your friend. Not do. It's when you try to no. You know, I can't even notice it when but they call music primary, this song so sweet. The way the theater they play for my head, man. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for my master, Papa. Today is my birthday. Who not clap for me now? Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. I'm 30 today. Thank you. Today is his birthday as well. The case is his birthday as well. Thank you. And our birthday. To Baba, God bless you. You inspire me a lot. Sincerely. Every day, in fact, I want to name my children according with you. You will be their godfather. Your mistake.